Chapter 8 Geometry. Kavita ma'am is an arts and crafts teacher. Today she is teaching the students how to cut different shapes of cloth and sew it to make a small cloth bag. Point. A point is a basic unit of geometry. It is represented by a dot. It shows an exact location. It is named by a capital letter. This is point A. The tip of a sewing needle can be taken as a point. Line. A line is a collection of points extended indefinitely in both directions along a straight path. A line has no end points and no fixed length. A line is represented by arrowheads on both sides to show that it can be extended on both sides. The symbol for line is point A and point B are 2 points on the line AB. Line AB is represented as AB. Types of lines. Straight line. A line is formed by joining points which extend indefinitely in both directions without any turn along a straight path is called a straight line. A straight line may be vertical, horizontal or slanting. CD, vertical straight line. EF, horizontal straight line. GH, slanted straight line. Curved line. A line formed by joining points that turn in different directions is called curved line. Intersecting lines. Two or more lines that meet at a point are called intersecting lines. AB and CD are intersecting lines. The intersect cross at point P. Point P is called the point of intersection. AB, DC, P. Parallel lines. Lines which never meet and are always at an equal distance from each other are called parallel lines. AB is parallel to CD. The symbol for parallel is AB parallel CD. AB, CD. An unlimited number of intersecting lines can be drawn through a point. Example, rails of a railway track, edges of a book. Line segment. A line segment is a part of a line. It has a starting point and an end point or two end points. It has a definite length. The symbol for line segment is a line segment PQ is written as PQ. A line segment is a straight path between 2 points. It is the shortest distance between 2 points. The 2 points are called the end points of the line segment. The sides of a plane figures are line segments. AB, BC, AC are line segments. Ray. A ray is a part of a line which has a starting point and goes on indefinitely in the other direction. It has no fixed length and cannot be measured. It has one end point. The symbol for ray is ray PQ is written as PQ. It shows that P is the starting point of this ray and it moves indefinitely in the direction of Q. Measuring a line segment. Kavita ma'am, the craft teacher, wanted to decorate the room. She needed ribbons of equal length. So, she measured it with the help of a scale. Example 1. Measure the length of line segment PQ. PQ. Step 1. Put the scale along the line segment such that its 0 mark. 0 is at P. PQ. Step 2. Read the mark on a scale at point Q. Point Q matches with the reading 9. Step 3. The length of PQ is 9 cm. Measuring a curved line. Example 2. A student wanted to decorate a board outside the craft room. How much ribbon was required for the curved line segment AB? String. To measure the curved line segment AB. Step 1. Take a piece of string or thread. Step 2. Place one end of the string at point A of the curved line and hold it. Step 3. Move the string along the curved line AB. Step 4. Mark the string when it reaches B. Step 5. Stretch the string along the scale as shown. AB. The length of AB is equal to 8 cm. The length of each piece of required ribbon is equal to 8 cm. Drawing a line segment. Example 3. The students needed paper stripes to make paper flowers. They wanted to cut each strip of 7 cm. So they drew a line segment of length 7 cm. Step 1. Mark a point R with a sharp pencil. Step 2. Keep the zero mark, 0 of scale at R. Step 3. Mark a point S at 7 cm mark of the scale. Step 4. Join the points R and S. RS. We obtain a line segment RS of length 7 cm. Now we can cut the paper stripe along R and S to get a strip of 7 cm. Angle. When two rays or two line segments start from the same point, an angle is formed. AB and AC are two rays. Starting from point A, the figure so formed is called an angle. AB and AC are called arms of the angle. Point A is called the vertex of the angle. As Kavita Ma'ams was cutting a colored sheet, Neeta observed that the scissors and the sheet both made an angle. ABC, vertex, arms. When the students looked around, they saw many objects forming an angle. Some examples were the blackboard, fan, teacher's arm. In an angle, the vertex is always written in the middle. Naming an angle. An angle has one vertex and two arms. We use the symbol for an angle. The angle PQR is written as angle PQR. Angle PQR can also be written as angle RQP or angle Q. Angle PQR. Comparison of angles. Fix one arm of the angle. Rotate other arm along the vertex to open it wider. An angle with wider arms is greater than the angle with less wide arm. The arms of angle A are wider than arms of angle B. So, angle A is greater than angle B. An angle can also be named by a small letter or by a number. Angle A, angle B. Types of angles. Right angle. In the craft class, the students cut the sheet in the shape of letter L. Sheet. A, B, C. A, B, C. Right angle. AB and BC are two line segments. AB and BC are vertical and horizontal arms of the angle. B is the vertex. In triangle, in ABC, segment AB and AC make an angle in the shape of L. Such an angle is called a right angle. A right angle is of measure 90 degree. Some examples are the angles formed at the corners of the blackboard, corner of the book, mirror, and the angle formed between the minute hand and the hour hand at 3 o'clock. Straight angle. Two right angles together form a straight angle. A straight angle is of measure 180 degree. Straight angle AB. An example is the angle formed between the minute hand and hour hand at 6 o'clock in a clock. Acute angle. An angle which is less than a right angle is called an acute angle. Angle ABC is an acute angle measures less than 90 degree. ABC, acute angle. Kite, scissors. Obtuse angle. An angle which is more than a right angle but less than a straight angle is called an obtuse angle. Angle PQR is an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle measures greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. PQR, obtuse angle. The length of the arms does not affect the measure of the angles. Both. The angles formed between the minute hand and the hour hand at 4 o'clock. Open and closed shape. Kavita ma'am is teaching Varli painting to her students. She is using straight lines, curved lines and some shapes to make it. Using the straight and curved lines, she is making open and closed shapes. Varli painting is a tribal art which originated in Maharashtra. It uses a set of basic geometric shapes. It is centered around Mother Nature and elements of nature. Open shape. The shape that begins and ends at two different points is called an open shape. AB, PQ, XY. Closed shapes. The shape that begins and ends at the same point is called a closed shape. A, B, C. A closed shape that does not cross itself is called simple closed shape. Polygons. Simple closed shapes made up of only straight line segments are called polygons. The line segments that form the polygon are called its sides. Polygons are named according to the number of their sides. The point at which two adjacent sides of a polygon meet is called vertex. Remember, polygon is always made up of three or more line segments. A three-sided polygon is called triangle. A four-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. A five-sided polygon is called pentagon. A six-sided polygon is called hexagon. Triangle. The plural of vertex is vertices. A polygon made up of three line segments is called a triangle. A triangle has three sides AB, BC and CA. Three vertices A, B, C. Three angles, namely angle A, angle B and angle C. Triangle ABC can be written as triangle ABC. The symbol for triangle is ABC. Quadrilateral. A polygon made up of four line segments is called a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has four sides AB, BC, CD, DA. Four vertices A, B, C, D. Four angles angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. A, B, C, D. Rectangle. A rectangle is a special quadrilateral in which opposite pair of sides are equal. All angles are right angles. ABCD is a rectangle in which AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to right angle. Square. A square is a special quadrilateral in which all four sides are equal. All angles are right angles. All squares are rectangles. ABCD is a square in which AB is equals to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA and angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to right angle. Circle. In an activity class, Kavita ma'am decided to teach the students how to sew a button on a piece of cloth. She took out a button from her sewing kit. She traced the boundary of a button on a paper with the help of a pencil. She took a pair of scissors and cut out the drawn circle. A circle is a simply closed shape bounded by a curved line. Parts of circle. She folded the circle into exact half. The line across the circle is the diameter of the circle. O. She folded the circle again. When she unfolded it, the point where the lines meet, O, is the center of the circle. Semicircle, diameter. Circumference of the circle. The length of the boundary is called circumference of the circle. We can measure it by using a string or thread. Radius, R. R, R. O. Circumference. Every point on the circle is at an equal distance from a fixed point. The fixed point is called the center of the circle. Here, O is the center of the circle. Circumference. A, B, A, B, C, D, O. Radius of the circle. The fixed distance between the center to any point on the circle is called the radius. Here, OA, OB, OC, OD are radius of the circle. O, center of circle. OA, OB, OC, OD is equal to radius. AB, CD is equal to diameter. Diameter. A line segment whose endpoints lie on the circle and pass through the center is called diameter of the circle. Here, AB, CD are diameters of the circle. A diameter divides the circle into two equal parts called semicircles. Remember, diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Radius is equal to 1 upon 2 into diameter. Drawing a circle with a compass. The students drew the circles with the help of bangles, CDs and coins. Kavita ma'am told them that circles can be drawn accurately by a compass. A compass is used to draw a circle of required radius. Let's draw a circle of 2 cm radius. Step 1. Place the compass needle on the zero of the scale. Open the compass to measure the required radius of 2 cm. Step 2. Fix the compass needle in the center of the circle. Step 3. Move the pencil around. Keeping the metal point fixed, draw the circle.